Our family is a small and happy family consisting of 5 members: my mother, my father, my younger sister, me, and my elder brother. My father's name is Lai Mingho. He works in the research and development sector of a biopharmaceutical company. He is a biotechnologist. My mother is a teacher. She teaches science to students of 10th and 12th in Modern High Public School. My parents are very kind and loving. Me and my siblings love them so much and help them in household activities. My elder brother is 19 years old and he is very hardworking. My mother loves us all so much. My younger sister is 4 years old. She is very cute and adorable. I play with her when I get back from school. My mother teaches me science and social science. My mother helps me and my elder brother in studies. Everyone in my family loves me unconditionally. I love that I am a part of this lovable family.